Welcome to the solo course. In this course, you'll learn to play solos and improvise. So once you've completed this course, you've taken a giant step forward as a lead guitarist. Now you might ask yourself, what actually is a solo? A solo is a part of a song where an instrument gets the spotlight. The solo is your time to shine and express yourself with your guitar, and it can be just a short melody, or it can be a 10-minute improvisation, or anything in between. This course will guide you through the basics of soloing, give you the skills needed to play solos, and also give you some hints needed to continue exploring the world of guitar solos. To succeed here, it's important to first learn a little about scales, as they are the foundation for any lead guitarist, and knowing them will make it easier for you to create solos and melodies. So, what is a scale? A scale is the tonal basis of music. It is a set of notes from which you can build melodies and harmonies. To put it simply, a scale is a group of notes that sound good together. That's it. They can be played in an ascending order or descending order. Since all notes in a scale sound good together, you can combine them to create licks and solos. This course will teach you to play scales, as well as solos based on those scales. When you learn guitar scales, you automatically also start to understand how the fretboard is designed and how the frets relate to each other, which is like a eureka moment for guitar learners. So learning scales will make you a significantly better guitarist since you start to truly understand the instrument. To put it short, scales give you the musical freedom to play what you want. Now, there are many different scales, and each scale can create its own distinctive mood, atmosphere, and tonal flavor. So, depending on the song you're playing, some scales sound better than others. We'll teach you the most popular scales, and you'll soon be able to play along to most songs out there, as well as improvise and play your own melodies. We recommend that you start with the minor pentatonic scale, and from there, either advance to the famous songs or head for the other scales. Enjoy and good luck.